Hey guys, we'll be done with the tiling by today, okay? So let's do our best out there. Okay, let's do it.
Hey, just got the new notification. Yeah, due to new COVID restriction, there should not be more than 2 workers allowed for renovation per day if a family is residing within the house.
What? 2 only? Like that December then finish renovation liao lor.
冇变了啦 no choice 啊。
Hey, another news again. Working from home will now be the default.
Walao, how to work from home ah? My home is not the one being renovated leh.
No lah, you bodoh is it? This for employees who are able to work from home. In our case, we have to work from outside. So 冇变。
PM to address the nation on COVID-19.
Walao, I better go to supermarket buy all the grocery before all the auntie uncle chong there. Closer one is the Gem, right?
Gem and Westgate Mall is now closed for 2 weeks amid likely ongoing COVID-19 transmission.
Wapiang you better off your phone nah. Every time got notification, always bad news leh.
Client complaint delay already. Madam, sorry, but you have to follow these rules and regulations. Badge. See me badge. What? You asking for my badge? Hello? Hello? What's she talking? What badge?
I got put my phone on vibration mode. Happy?
Ayah, just check your phone lah. Maybe this time whole Singapore shut down.
Hey, safe distancing, 1 meter apart, okay? Walao, jalalu, this is bad news. My Bitcoin dropped liao. All my money gone.
Hey.
Okay guys, I tell you what, doesn't matter the news lah. Let's continue to work carefully under all these restrictions, okay? Life must go on lah, bo pian lah. So let's chiong, okay? We better go now. Let's go.
Okay. I drive you guys there. Where's the place again? I go update my GPS.
Block 506, Hougang Avenue 8. Let's go. Let's go.